What's up, guys? We're gonna do some VLM at a local tennis ranch. Check it out. So Brenda's vacuuming, prepping everything out. So what main concern is we clean this probably once a year. But in this particular, we usually do the whole facility, but this particular time we're just gonna focus on the hall because they had some water damage. They already had it extracted and everything. They noticed that they had this staining left behind, so we're gonna go ahead and treat that for them and try to get this to match again. And what we're gonna be using is a peroxide-based product, Go Oxy by Incapstor. So I already diluted it, mixed up a gallon. I'm thinking a gallon will be fine for this. And then we'll go ahead and pre-spray everything. All right, stay tuned. So what I'm gonna do is just treat this dark area with the peroxide, and then we're gonna go let it soak a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and pre-spray and clean as normal. Great, man. All right, knock this one out. As a matter of fact, this is kind of a short one, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me to the next job, or stay tuned for the next job. It looks like, hopefully we'll see when it's all dry if we got that stain out. But I'm pretty confident we did. And I got a question for you guys that own Orbot Vibes. Do you have a problem with this thing coming loose all the time? Because we always have to tighten that up. All right, so this one, we're actually gonna do an all over stain and odor for pets removal. There's a red spot here, and she declined having that removed. And so cats, there was cats living in this house. She just moved, was gonna be moving in. And yeah, so obviously the move out people did not get it cleaned. And they had pets, so different color carpets in each room. And even in the closet. But hey, this is country living out here. So we're gonna go ahead and do the Green Rhino cocktail, world's famous, and get it knocked out. And we're also gonna run the machine over Namco over this wood here. I told her don't expect miracles. It needs more than that. So, all right, stay tuned. Look at these floors. These floors actually came out so much better than I thought they would. And I didn't have the new brushes on the Namco. I forgot it, but yeah, beautiful job. Great job by Brenda. All right, so this floor is, we're working with what we can work with. A lot of permanent staining in here, as you can see, right? And here's some yellowing. It's just not going nowhere. We treat it with organic, treat it with artificial stain remover, paint remover, and it ain't going nowhere. So it's just probably been there for 20 years. You know, the person who owned this place owned it for 40 years, lived in it for 40 years. So can you imagine? Okay, and as far as the color, she declined on that. She just wanted it clean. All right, so I think it came out pretty dang good. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment like always, and we'll see you in the next one.